this is me, super girl Malaika, and guess who I have? My best friend is Arpa. And today we are gonna do, guess what are we gonna do?
The floor is lava challenge
at the park. And my favorite park, so I chose it. So we are gonna go over there. Whoever said, so that's how we play. Whoever said floor lava and they're the monster, then they are not allowed to touch the floor. You guys will see. I don't have to explain a lot. Let's get into the video. So I'm gonna have a slide here. It's super fun. See? The water. I hope you guys love our park so much. This is our backyard park. We have a lot of people to sit down and we have 2 extra. 3. Yeah, we have 2 extras.
Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, lava!
Oh, she's the monster. I'm the lava monster. To them, it's my turn now. Wait, I'm gonna come. I caught her easily. I'm the fast runner. No, she's not catch us. No, I'm gonna catch them. Bell on and subscribe my channel. And see you tomorrow.